wonder how he gets the first
spot.
Not for hire. I didn't know they made golf carts. I mean, I've seen them each year here, but I hadn't known before that. Is that a better way of putting that?
This dude's still holding an umbrella while Al gets soaked. But follow his lead. He's got the umbrella over the kids. That's what it's. There you go. Look, he covers himself up with it. What about your kid?
Let your kid have it.
At least put the thing up. I mean, he's got his own little.
Wow.
Wow, that is a happy family.
New way of treating kids. New way of treating kids.
Their way of treating kids put
like a
them
whole
almost
fleet
where they
of
could get killed in the road, and also you're covering yourself with an umbrella. Bravo. And also, I'm pretty sure the sides of the umbrella, water's going all over the kid.
At least the kid's wearing a rain jacket.
And a hat.
Off a mess.
And you almost kill them by making them be in the road.
You guys got it. You can't even risk
That is a happy family, bro.
Yeah, they usually do. You're right.
This is ghetto.
Everybody, everything.
You can afford to buy the truck,
I
but
bet
that's
you
all.
don't know what that app is.
What is he showing out for?
You
There's
know.
gonna be a kid somewhere.
I'm taking a picture of
usually do it
almost
when they
every
shoot
I
truck.
could practically watch the hole in the ozone get bigger.
Yep.
I'm practically taking a picture of every truck.
Oh, I like whatever. What is it?
It's a semen mixer.
Oh my god.
Brian's doing a video. That is good. Huh.
I wonder if they're gonna pass this on to like the next generation, or if it's all gonna die when all these old guys.
Look, what a slacker. Makes Grandpa look good. Father of the year over there.
He doesn't look like a happy man.
Next time they throw candy, I'm like,
We don't need candy.
yes we do.
Yeah, sugar is our main logo.
Oh, there you go, Dad. A little initiative. Get that Tootsie Roll. Watch, he'll eat it. No.
If he ate it, that would be the happiest.
I'm sorry.
His shifter is like up here. Oh, let's let the kid out so we can go fetch his own. Go play in traffic, get off.
Your very first Brockway parade, you get run over by one. Think that ups the resale value? I squashed a kid with this in 2018. He was only worth 10 points.
He was little. Actually, I didn't even see him.
Ontario. Tackleberry.
Ooh, this yellow one looks cool.
Oh,
Little guy doesn't wave. Oh, the little guy over there is pumping his arm.
Another ghetto one.
Sometimes they've just bought them, and like the next year you'll see them again, and it's like, wow, what a difference.
That's got like no cab at all.
I know,
doesn't
it was weird.
That one's a little ghetto too. That's like tomato right there.
Oh, we had a woman in the
Ghetto.
office yesterday. She had a rummage sale, and she brought home a couch.
Nice.
And she brought in a bug that she wanted us, Claudia,
To identify
it as a bed bug.
And it was, I'm sure.
Claudia wasn't there, and I don't know when I just got the heck out of there. I'm like, if it's a bed bug, I want nothing to do with it. I'm gone.
Yeah, because we don't want bed bugs in our house.
Nope.
No. That's not an I mean, it's a pretty truck, but it's not an attractive color.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Is it supposed to be gold?
I don't know, but if it is, it didn't quite get there.
Sweetheart, now would not be a good time to leave. Just saying. But then, why let it stop you?
Eh.
I'm watching.
You can see all the abuse
No,
that
I'm abusing your camera.
is taken on the side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the camera gets Brockway on it. Well, she hasn't taken off yet.
See, these are all cool and all, but that's cool.
Well,
Like,
there'd be a
because
couple
it's
more.
different, right? It, you know, these are all just semi. Wow, cool. How many can you see before you've seen semi, right? 14.
You'll see a couple. There's a couple fire trucks that are nice.
Yeah, I saw the one fire truck that went by. This is kind of cool. Your thingy fell off there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a little, see
Oh, I
on the
see it
step?
fell down. Okay, as long as you still got it.
Why,
But
what
this
is
is
it?
pretty cool.
It's their identification for
The crane man. That's pretty cool.
And it's really cool that obviously that's a working truck. That
It's
it
a
shows
cute
up
little
to.
dumb truck.
They show up to this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We have like 90 more cars to go.
Cars.
Huh. What? Yeah.
Mechanic.
Mechanic?
I think so.
I'll go with that because I can't spell. It's a lot of red.
New Jersey.
Jack. Guys, look up wood if you want to look up something really cool. What? Wood. What's wood?
Is it a app?
Yeah.
Mass. Wow, I'm getting one heck of a
Is it like the stickers?
Exhaust?
That's cool.
Different.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Question is, what is
It's
it?
almost like you don't want to.
God, it smells
like
horrible, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This may not be stickers.
It's like you don't want to paint that because it looks cool the way it is.
I think it's
That's new. I don't remember seeing that
something
before.
like.
It is more like you text the pictures.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought. I see many videos like shout out the coolest.
And that
Yeah.
at least looks old school, that one right there.
Mm-hmm. He's missing his dog thing though. Sit on it.
This is the best I
Oh,
can
he
spell.
farted.
Weed.
A little yellow one that's old school too.
Weed.
That looks like an old truck. But the rest of them just look like trucks.
Quid.
See a little dog thingy on the hood? What's a Brockway?
It's
It's a dog. It's a dog.
Yeah, I'm playing it home.
It's a husky.
It's a
I know
husky,
it's
a
I know it's
Brockway.
their emblem. I'm just saying it's a dog, right?
Yes, it's a husky.
Okay, so
Brian's right.
Hey
it's a
Sam,
husky.
your ride just went by.
I think that's next though.
No.
Trash truck.
Sam. You should run, go jump in the back of that thing.
Why do I have to run in it? When,
No,
when
you
Jack's the
have
real garbage.
No.
When Jack's
you
garbage.
got to.
When Jack's the real garbage.
Okay.
Jack's the real garbage person
Yeah,
here.
we get home now. Is there any
Yeah.
Wi-Fi?
Well, they're trying to get a raincoat on him, and he's like, "Yeah, I'm good, Dad."
well,
Oh,
you
Grandpa.
don't ask him, you do it, Grandpa.
You
But
don't
hey,
ask him, you do it.
It's down. Tinker 23. You can see how much fun they're having. They're all driving by. They get huge smiles on their faces. It's their once a year high.
Hey, Dad.
what?
For some reason, it says you have Facebook on your phone.
I don't have Facebook.
It
It's
says,
preloaded on there, but I don't have an
Yes.
account.
What I like.
yeah, it's
Structurally, it's in rough shape though. See how the bed's collapsing on that one side?
I think that's one of the reasons I liked it. See, they knew she was supposed to join in here. He kind of hung back. Grim, you might need to. He's got to be half deaf.
Stop farting!
No, keep voting.
I do like
Sam,
yellow together.
stop farting!
Why?
Because you're farting too much.
Okay.
Stop. Sammy, why don't I put you away?
You would.
Look at just decided, Mom,
Right.
to put on it. Put on the rain
He's
jacket.
got 2 dogs on his.
Justin decided to put on the rain.
He's 10 times better because he has 2.
He stole it from
Look at
Alex.
this.
Yeah, he got it from the suit coat one because they don't have any.
Hey Sam,
They're not meant to have them.
remember this
Those.
game?
Yeah.
So I'm not all that
Yeah,
impressed
boy.
with those two other ones, but then again, I don't have. I've got something against suit coats, so.
What? What? What?
I've got the
So
red one.
yay, get broken in half.
We really don't want to grab any of the candy because what they just threw out, Mom, was a cow tail.
We're fine, honey. If we want a cowtail, we can go to the store and buy one.
Yeah, let this little fella next to us scarf it all up.
He's like, oh, look, Dad, I'm getting all the candy here.
We were out here that candy would be ours.
No, none of it's yours. None of it's yours.
I can see me styling in that.
It's too much horsepower for you, Mom.
Oh, you'd be surprised what Mom can do. I really like that one.
Mine.
The wedding red.
I don't want to do that red though.
What, 12? You're good. That's all you need. Just saying.
Heroes fine.
Oh, you just helped me. My sinister.
Yeah, it's a little overpowering.
Ooh. There we go, boy. He tapped me with my sinister crown.
I'm tacky.
What do you think they do when they blow their horn if we blew back and flipped the bird? Don't blow their horn at me!
Wow, you're really bored, aren't you?
Yeah, okay.
I see a
cool.
fort.
It's got a cool little wagon on the back of that one.
I didn't know that was gonna happen.
It is kind of pretty. The wheel wells are crazy.
See what I'm supposed to do?
Cover strip.
I think it's Gomer's.
I like mine better.
Oh, frig. Those OP.
So they pick up pace.
Oh, you gotta move.
They're the ones that are mad because they're at the, not the end, but the farther behind.
That one's a little ditto.
I need to match
Yeah.
one. Wait, there's one more?
That's cool.
I have,
The tree truck. That's pretty cool.
that's a 4 square right there.
Wonder what
This
it
guy right
costs.
here
Skyscraper.
broke down. Right?
That's right there.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Oh, wait, here, we got it. I got
This
it.
truck's 90 years old.
Just grabbed it here.
Yes, I want to try again. And you know,
It's 10 when we leave. That's where you remember 10 from.
Gotcha. I knew there was 10 in there somewhere.
I got 2.
They're just better than everybody else, the people that have two.
Wait until we see the people with
Boing,
three.
boing, boing.
Lexington, Kentucky.
And then they're really better.
Fanboy.
These guys have no trouble. Let's get out and
Bamboozle.
help him. Squish.
It's amazing. Your butthole.
Why do they bring the wagons? Those aren't Brockway. What's the point in it? I don't
Because
understand
they're
it.
cool and old. I don't know.
Well, it's all fine and good, but it's a Brockway show, not an old wagon show.
How do you know they're not Brockways? Maybe that's what Brockway started out
Pretty
making.
sure they're not.
The golf carts were Brockway. That shocked me. I mean, the first time I saw it, not like the.
That's kind of
10th
cool.
time.
It's like a midget truck or something.
That
I
is
like
cute.
It's a truck built for Nana.
That is a cute truck.
It's a midget.
I like that color scheme.
Perfect. It's perfect. Truck's 4 foot, she's 4 foot.
Well, look, it's got the Michelin man on it.
Ah, just sitting there hanging out. Oh, that's the one we bought that we haven't done anything with yet.
That's what I look like with that clothes on.
No, come on.
Better than come.
Let's talk about you. Yes, I am.
It's pretty good though.
John Potter's a local fella. I
There's
like
like
this one too.
10 more.
Oh, there's probably more than 10, honey. That's sharp.
Yep.
10 more.
That's ghetto.
They have cool mud flaps though.
No, I just see I just see normal cars after them. After the.
Good, because it's starting to really rain. Not that we're getting wet, but other people might be. And I've got one heck of a headache from the smell of the.
Diesel exhaust.
I got a headache.
And it grows
Bless
on
you.
you.
The cards have to be broccoli something. Why are
No.
they bringing them?
Because it can.
Oh, there's a bus.
There's a bus, boy.
I like the ones that kids have the headphones on. And it's like they care about their kids hearing. It's pretty enough. Is that broccoli?
Picked a great day to ride your motor scooter there, buddy.
Oh, they made cars too.
Actually, they look a lot like
this
Hondas.
is great. Jason, he used to come through. He's a really nice guy.
Subarus.
Aren't you guys embarrassed during the parade?
Yeah.
That bus is cool.
I got video proof that you were in the
He's
parade.
got two now.
You do got video proof.
The little tiny guy, he's got great personality.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
that bus looks awesome.
I know.
I wonder how good it sounds in there
I
because
don't
it's
remember
metal.
seeing a bus before.
Yeah, that's I'm like it
He's
must
got
be
a
new.
third one. That's that Greek
Holy
place there.
crap! That would have probably never come through the scale, though.
Well, we know what he's been spending his money on.
Oh, he's a nice little guy.